Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing a Better Homes & Gardens 52-inch indoor globe ceiling fan with light kit. This originally was $129 at Walmart. They marked it down to $65, then they marked it down to $60, and then they marked it down to $30. Well, when I found it, it was $30, and I bought it because I thought that was a really good deal. So I'm going to open up and we'll see what all's inside. I done cut the tape on it beforehand. I had done taking that out because I finally decided to record this. It has the indoor ceiling fan owner's manual and something else. And let's see what's inside. Figure out how to get it out of here. It's packed very well. Okay. This has the option of brown or white blades down. We're going to go with the brown down. It has the remote control and the thing that goes inside the fan to make the remote control work. What it appears all that is. I give you a light bulb, a great value one, even though it's a Better Homes & Gardens. These are weights, so I hope we don't have to use those on the blades, and when your blades don't spin correctly, I hope they don't have to be used. We had one time stuck on and it threw it off. These are your screws and your like fiber washers of some kind, and your electrical wire nuts. There's two of them there. This is the light kit. Looks like some kind of base for it, and the one that adjusts with your ceiling, which is good because our ceilings are the way they are. And that's that box. Here's actually the globe itself. This goes on this to now let's see. I'm guessing. Let's see what's here. I don't know exactly how all this goes together without looking at the instructions. And this is actually the ceiling fan motor itself with all the wire. And that is it's showing. I thought it showed on the box that it had a pretty top, like swivel top, but it's just the fan blade that's in the way that makes it look that way. I thought the fan top was going to be swiveled out. It's just the fan blade that makes it look that way. So that one little piece I was showing goes down next to the fan, and the other part goes up to the let's see here. This is some kind of base up there. According to that, this goes up to the ceiling. This goes down to the fan motor, and this hangs from the ceiling. And this is what they gave you to put. I think that goes in there to get the swivel, however that attaches, because it don't give you the swivel thing like on a regular one you would have. So I'm assuming that's part of your swivel was this, I'm guessing. So this is an opening a Better Homes and Gardens 52-inch indoor globe ceiling fan with light kit. Check your Walmart and see if you like the way this looks and see if they have one available. Hopefully you'll give less than $129 for it. Maybe they'll put theirs on clearance, but my clearance, the store I got this at, it went through a remodel, so when they go through remodel, I know a couple stores really mark down stuff cheap when I do a remodel with Walmart. Okay, I had discovered that this has a built-in to this thing for the swivel on this ceiling fan. I didn't think it had one of these, but it did. This seems to be, it's better made than it seems like it is. So I wanted to put that in and tell you that. Here are photographs of what's in box.